my channel, I thought I would take you along a day of nesting. It is currently Friday the 24th, and I have a scheduled induction for Sunday. And I'm already out of breath. I said a few words. Currently 39 weeks. And the reason why I have a scheduled induction for Sunday is because I have a history of precipitous labor. I think that's how you say it. Which basically means I have a history of really quick labor. My first one was really fast. So this is just to like guarantee that I'm in the hospital with all the proper equipment and everything, because I'm not about to have a car baby. That would freak me out. Anywho, our lovely fruit fly trap. It's fruit fly season. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a whole day of nesting. I'm in extreme nesting mode. And unless I go into labor on my own today or tomorrow, we have these 2 days just to get all the last minute things together. There's honestly not that much to do. I've been pretty on top of it. I just folded and put away all of the laundry, so we're completely up to date. We have no, this never happens, to have all the laundry put away. Anyway, I know we're gonna have laundry like piled up once baby girl is here, but I'm just gonna like sweep the floors, mop them, sanitize some things, obviously with no harsh chemicals. But yeah, I thought it'd be kind of fun just to take you along. So that's what I'm doing. I thought my last video before baby comes could be, I was gonna say vent with me.
No, to show people that the husband is missing and the wife still does everything in the house.
No, it was a nest with me.
Correct.
You're still helping. Thank you, sir. I appreciate the help. That is way too heavy for me.
Yes, thank you for telling me where to go.
Yeah.
Like
You see it? That's where it goes.
Alright. What's next?
Thank you.
Tell me. This? Okay. Where does this go? I love you. I love you so much.
Oh, you're so sweet.
So much.
Bye, love.
Love. I'll see you.
I'm gonna get. Oh no. Get you. I'm gonna get you. So I just finished sweeping and mopping the kitchen. I still need to do the other areas. But I wanted to talk about this little spray that I was using. What? What? Are you scared? Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? You don't need to be scared because Jesus is always with you. Oh, there you go. Oi.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, high chair.
Yeah, get in your high chair.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
You got it. So this is how she's been getting in the high chair by herself. Good job. Can you sit?
High chair.
Good job. You did it all by yourself. I'm so proud of you. Okay, here we go.
Mommy, chew watermelon.
Oh,
Is that
that is dead. Hold on.
that's a big piece.
Yeah.
That's a big piece.
Here you
With Mama watermelon.
go. Okay, I'll get you a watermelon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, while we're eating our watermelons, I'll tell you about my little household cleaner. This beauty. Wish I could say it's my own invention. But this is what I use as my household cleaner as opposed to like Clorox or bleach. It's just so much better. This is what I put in it. The Young Living, why did I just slam that? Thieves, is that what this is? Yeah, this is for household cleaner. They have other Thieves like for laundry detergent, other things, but this is for household cleaner. So I got these glass bottles. I got a 2-pack from Amazon. They're great. They're aesthetically pleasing, so I can just like display it over here. But also just like the way it sprays is really nice. I like the grip on it, everything. But yeah, for the household cleaner, you basically just do 1 part this and then the rest water. So this will last you for a really long time. And then you just have the household cleaner. It smells really good. The Thieves, to me it smells like Christmas, and I love Christmas. So use that. Also got this off Amazon, but they have like Young Living consultants or something like that. Pause, let me just get more watermelon. It's really good. I just love watermelon in the summertime. My husband just cut up a whole watermelon for us, so ooh, this is like exactly what I've been craving the last part of my pregnancy. It's just like juicy, cold fruit. Just not something super filling, but just, yeah, this is perfect. So this is what I use as my household cleaner. Use it to wipe down countertops. I'll use it to clean the toilets, just like a general cleaner. And then what I use for my sink, I actually use this. I have another one that's in the bathroom that I use for inside the toilets. This is Bon Ami. This is scratch-free powder cleanser. Powerfully cleans without all the harsh chemicals. Also got this on Amazon. So what I do for the sink, sprinkle this in my sink, and then I'll use different essential oils, just depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll use peppermint to like clean it, lavender to make it smell good, and I'll just let that sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'll go in with my sponge and like scrub it out. Makes it super shiny.
Just scrub it out.
Yeah, I'll scrub it out. Makes it super shiny. It smells really good. You're cute. So yeah, that's basically what I use. And then I just use this little label maker that I got for Christmas just to say household cleaner. Yeah, and then I just put it on this little thing over there that I'll show you. So this is the current setup here. I just have it on this little, I found this cute little board stand thing at the dollar section at Target. Also found this in the dollar section at Target. I never really light it. $3. Never really light it. It's more just for decor. But I have my household cleaner, then my soap, and then I just added these 2 things as well. I love Hello Bello. This will be for like the baths I'll give baby girl in here. Got a couple dishes I got to put away. Our beautiful fruit fly trap, because these fruit flies are so annoying. Kitchen is pretty much clean. Miss Phoenix is over there eating some watermelon. Is it delicious? This girl loves watermelon. So yeah, just gonna put away these dishes, then I'll get to the living room. But yeah, there's honestly not that much to do. Just more sanitizing. So while I'm cleaning the kitchen, this might be super gross, but I've actually never cleaned the head of this. I mean, like I've scrubbed it before, but not like a deep clean. So I found a Pinterest recipe, basically using a plastic bag with vinegar, water, and then you like bunch it up. So we'll see how that goes. You leave it for an hour. Hopefully that should, Phoenix, hopefully that should remove some of the buildup here. I don't even want to show you guys because that is just disgusting. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, that was actually a lot harder to put the baggie on this than I thought. I just used a hair tie, I didn't have any rubber bands. Hopefully this will stay. I feel like it's starting to slide down already, but you're supposed to leave it for an hour. So, that is just so nasty. I thought it'd be good to clean it since I'll be washing my newborn in here, so I'll let you know how that goes. Did you hurt your knee? I'm sorry, baby. Kiss it.
What, do you see it?
I see it.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Ouch.
You're brave. Okay, so it's been about an hour. Let's see how this held up. I can see some stuff in the baggie, so that's good. Just gonna scrape off as much as I can while it's in the baggie. Since I just cleaned the sink. So I got this little like nail brush to scrub it, so let's see how that works. Oh no, my whole sink is gonna smell like vinegar. I should have done the cleaning of the sink after this. Oh well, you live and you learn. Wow, that is a lot of, it's like green. That is nasty. I don't know, let me get some dish soap. Let's see if that helps at all. Like get a sudsy. Very satisfying.
Is it so better?
It looks so much better. Okay. Yay. Clean sink. That felt good to do. Vacuuming baby girl's nursery. Yeah, can you unplug it for me? Thank you. Whoa. My last video I gave a tour of what's in these drawers. Out of breath yet again. I think that basket right there is gonna hold like the random toys for Phoenix to play with whenever I'm nursing. Don't mind that hole there. Yeah, we're ready to go. I'm just gonna fold this cord back up. Aww, can you give a kiss? That's so sweet. Are you excited to meet your baby sister? I'm a big sister. Yeah, you are. All right, well, I'd say that was a pretty successful day getting things done. I'm gonna just take the rest of the day to chill, maybe play with Phoenix. But the last thing I'm gonna do during our watermelon feast, of course, it's gonna get on my toddler's shirt. So I actually got this stuff. I've seen a bunch of people use this. This is the Miss Mills Messy Eater Stain Treater. So I'm gonna try it. I tried it out on some old poopy jammies that Phoenix had a while ago, and that worked. So I'm gonna see if it works here. I'm not sure if I need to wet it first. But yeah, this is the last thing I'm gonna do for today. And then I'm gonna chill. Okay, I just wet it a little bit, so it's a little damp. So I'm gonna do it here. Just a couple spritz there. Just a bunch of random little. Feels like they're starting to go away. Yeah. I'd say that's a lot better. Yeah, okay, we're good somewhere.
Jesus lives in my heart, and his love does too. His love he's placed in me is so very real. It gives me strength to do good, no matter how I feel.
Jesus loves me.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming along with me on my, what is this? What did I do today? Nesting. Thanks for watching.
Get to watch.
Say, see you in the next video.
With you.
Say, I love you.
I love you. With you.
I'm obsessed with you. Thanks for your help too. So hope you enjoyed watching that video. I've closed the curtains back up because we're starting to do our wind down. We're having some dinner now. Hope you enjoyed watching that. Hope that gave you some motivation if you needed some cleaning motivation. Watching these videos always motivate me. Doing this video actually motivated me too. So I'm happy with the way things turned out. Everything's clean and we're ready for baby girl. Yeah, man. This is a bump date. Look at these veins. That's crazy. Whew. Well, see you in my next video. It'll probably be my labor and delivery vlog. Ah! All right, see you next time. Bye.